Hello, here I am at Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with Shelly. So Shelly, could you tell me a bit about your company?
Our company name is Newtime Technology Ltd. We specialize in inflatable bounce castle and PVC products.
Wow, and so where is your factory located?
Actually, we have 3 companies in the world. One of in Zhongshan, Guangdong, one of in Shangrao, Jiangxi. The other one is in Cambodia.
Wow, so you have a big production. You can. What's your production output each year?
Our output is around like over 1 million.
Wow.
Yeah, we mainly export in America and Europe.
Wow, that's amazing. So can you tell me about these factories? I assume that you have the certifications of the safety?
Yeah, we have the ISO and also we do have the CSI and BSCI.
Wow, okay. So I'm very excited. So once the safety is done, now we have to talk about the fun part. So what is the newest product that you're going to be introducing?
Our newest product is like this Dr. Dolphin water slide flow. You can see we have a slide here. This is our new product, new design, and new color in this year.
Wow, so it has this unicorn thing, and it also has like a slide, and it has even a bouncing area here.
Yeah, kid can jump over there, and we can have the climb part. When they climb there, they can slide over here.
Wow, and I noticed that like on the edges here, it's not very scratchy. I remember when I was a kid, there'd be these scratchy areas.
Oh
and you're like,
yeah, this is the Oxford fiber.
Wow.
So it's not scratchy, it's smooth.
And it looks very easy to inflate. I assume it's very like quick and simple to set up for even the parents.
Yeah, it's very easy to set up. We do have the blower over there. Like you can set up like 1 minute.
Wow, that's quick. It's just instant fun then.
Yeah, the kid will be like it.
And I assume you have other products. You said you have PVC flow. So I would love to see that. So what's this bestseller?
Our bestseller is over here. You can play in the water pool. It can be like this one and this one. It's our newest product. You can see here, like this is the bestseller product of the water slide, and this one is the PVC product. You can like control like left, right in the water.
Wow, so you can have all the fun. So with this best-selling water park, it's like kind of like your bounce castle, but it's all specialized in these water areas, perfect slides, and especially even I noticed earlier with the bouncy castles as well, that it has, I know when I went to water parks, the scratchy edges were always horrible. But here,
product is not like scratchy, it's very smooth.
Yes,
you
it's
can
very
see
smooth.
Like we have over like 10 years factory, so we're pro for this.
Yeah, you got very professional,
Yeah.
so it's very cool. So to see if I could get these products, so where could I contact your company?
Yeah, you can contact our shop director. If you want to contact us, you can contact these people.
Yeah, so on this card, you can see the QR codes and also the email. All the information is right there for you. And thank you, Shelly. It was very nice talking to you.
Nice to meet you today.
Thank
Very
you.
nice.
Bye-bye.